Welcome to part 1 of our SolidWorks beginner series. In this video, we're getting started with SolidWorks, what it is, how to install it, and what you need to know before you begin your first design. SolidWorks is a professional 3D CAD software used across industries to design parts, build assemblies, and create drawings. It's your digital workshop where ideas become real products. Before you install SolidWorks, make sure your system is ready. You'll need Windows 10 or higher, at least 16 GB of RAM, a high-speed processor, and a certified graphics card like an NVIDIA Quadro. SSD storage is highly recommended. To install SolidWorks, download the installation manager from the SolidWorks website or through your educational license. Run the installer, enter your serial number, choose the products you want, and let it install. Once done, launch SolidWorks from your desktop or Start menu. The welcome screen lets you start new projects, open files, or access tutorials. From here, you'll see the key interface elements: the menu bar at the top, the Command Manager toolbar, the Feature Manager design tree on the left, and the graphics area in the center. Use the Heads-Up View toolbar to quickly switch views and the task pane on the right for appearances, libraries, and SolidWorks resources. To begin modeling, click File, this new, and select Part. You can also choose assemblies or drawings depending on your project. Before sketching, set your drafting units and standards under Document Properties. Remember, SolidWorks files are saved as SLDPRT, SLDASM, or SLDDRW. Turn on auto recovery to keep your work safe. And if you're ever unsure, press F1 or access the built-in tutorials. That's your first look at SolidWorks. In part 2, we'll dive into the core design concepts and terminology. You'll need to understand 3D modeling. Let's build your skills one step at a time.